Hello, Chiran.
Hi, sir. Hi. Hi, Manish, can you provide me the last class recording as well? Manish, you are there? Okay. Anyhow, I will call him separately. So maybe we can start.
Okay, let me share my screen. So what we have discussed, I'll be
Journal,
discussing.
group journal entries we
Yeah,
posted.
those we have completed, right? So what are the things we have learned so far? Okay, so we have discussed about the master data. Okay, how to configure, how to upload the data.
Uh-huh.
FS items. Okay, FS items attributes. Okay,
Okay.
so
Data monitor, consolidation monitor. And,
yeah, data monitor, consolidation monitor. One second.
Manish, sir, you had one PPT, right? If you don't, can you share that PPT to me?
PPT related to group reporting?
Yeah, group reporting.
I don't remember. Have I?
In the initial class recording, it was there, right?
Okay, I'll have to check. Okay. So let us do some quick revision on few topics. Data monitor, consolidation
Okay.
monitor, mm, breakdown category, FS
Sub-items,
items.
sub-items, sub-category.
So breakdown under breakdown category it will come. Breakdown category, then document type. I'll just brush up on these topics, okay?
Oh,
Mostly
okay.
like all the basics topics I have touched based upon. Currency translation, validation. I'm writing this now, so means just to let you know, like you have learned a lot of things related to group reporting, most of the basic things. Okay,
Mhm.
what is was basically ideally possible through the uh, trainings. Okay, so diversity teacher is the one scenario which is pending, and ICMR. Okay,
Divestiture also in the mid-year, like some acquisition happens and we want to do consolidation, that one as well, right? So that is also one thing.
yeah. So those topics I have to cover. ICMR. Okay. So these topics we have to cover. I need to prepare the data.
Okay.
So do you remember what is breakdown category?
Yeah. Sub-items there, it will give a balance sheet or P&L, this one breakdown, and
Mm.
also sub-item like 900, 915 and all, opening balance or daily transaction, those things, right?
Okay. Let's do a quick revision. Okay. And
Mhm.
ICM reclassification topics we have covered. So basically all the eliminations happened based on the reclassification, even reclassification and based on um, intercompany reconciliation, like whether it's balance sheet, inter eliminations or say, for example, P&L
Investment
eliminations, hmm, investment, that those kind of eliminations we can achieve it through. So basically, if we
reclass.
go to this, yeah, reclassification is process. So data collection, we have discussed about the data collection. So every business function is a task, okay? And task based on the task, it calls the methods. We have discussed about the methods as well, right?
Mm.
Validations, uh, creating the hierarchy.
Can you just brief me about this task once we run that validation, the log, right? The task, what you're saying.
Yeah, I will just uh, brief again. No worries.
Task and collect data collection method through non-integration like upload method and other thing is universal journal integration. Through that data will come, right? That is what
Yeah.
you're saying.
Release universal journal,
Mhm.
that is true, means once we have set up our consolidation unit as, like we have defined the company code and a link to the company,
Yeah.
then we can pull it from. So automatically it recognize we can release the data from universal journal, means AC.ca to AC.q.
Mhm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then here we basically collect the data through upload.
Yeah.
We need to do the validation. Okay.
Mhm.
Then reported data validations, what we are going to perform here for universal general.
It is not applicable,
Calculating
right? Dash means
whatever
it is.
is dash means in red color, red flag means this is not applicable based on the current nature of my consolidation unit. It is automatically understanding like this is not applicable.
Ideally, if it is
Calculating.
a SAP integrated entity, then it would be we have to do this step, right? What is this data validation? Can you expand that? A line item validation.
Line item validation. Reported data validation means overall data validation. Then manual entry, if you wanted to post anything, you can do that.
But
Currency
this
translation.
this step we have not done, right? Manual entry.
Means it is very much, post journal entries what we have done now, similar to
Okay.
that only.
Okay.
Okay. I'll touch base upon those things as well. Not an issue. Then consolidation monitor. So these are the steps. I see eliminations, sales, eliminations, profit eliminations, other income, dividend eliminations, balance sheet elimination, manual eliminations, if anything is applicable. So these are my tasks. Okay.
Yeah. So consolidation monitor steps, we call it as a task, right?
No, everything is task here.
Yeah. In data
Data
monitor.
monitor. Every steps is a task. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So once you run the task now and you go and check the task log,
Uh-huh.
here you can go to the group tiles here, group reporting. So you go to this particular consolidation process for task logs. Okay. Post journal entries. So we have discussed about post group journal entries, manage data task, manage data validation task. So we can check which task is getting called. So here it filled. We can check the log.
This managed task we can see for both consolidation monitor and data monitor, right? All the steps
Yes,
in
yes, yes.
manage.
Validation. Yeah. Validation can be built for anything.
No, no. What I
Okay.
meant is in
So,
managed data validation task, we
uh,
can see all the steps what we have done for data monitor and also consolidation monitor, right?
right. Task, you can create a task for any particular process.
Just if you don't mind, sir, can you just show me if I want to add a particular task in data monitor, how I can add? If I want to add a task in consolidation monitor, how I can add?
1 second. Let me first open the log. Task and task group. Define task, data collection task for the document type. So these are my tasks which we can create. These are the tasks. Okay. Here you can, so
But
these are the
these tasks, how you have mapped it to data monitor and how you have mapped it to consolidation monitor?
one second. Let me just check one thing. Task. Data collection task with document type. Actually, there is one task group. One second. Document type. Document type is picked based on the task. Add custom task to data monitor. You can create your own task.
Task number.
Yeah. So if you wanted to create any task, so that you
Manual
can.
posting. So if I create a task, example, if I add one task here,
Mhm, mhm.
this is in where it is what is reclassification, right? It is in reclassification.
No, here. Custom task.
Custom task for consolidation. In
Data
custom
monitor,
task,
data monitor, consolidation monitor.
add custom task for consolidation monitor. Okay, custom task for data monitor. Mhm.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So when we add one task, right? So automatically the SAP has given all the configuration for that one, right? For the task, or we have to do any
Right.
configuration.
Yeah, you need to
Example.
define your task. You need to define. Generally, you have to copy. Okay. Any task, if you wanted to create, you should copy from the standard. Okay. So, see, these are very simple steps. Even sometimes you don't remember. So you
Uh-huh,
need to check the log. Okay. You need to
uh-huh.
go and check the log. What is getting called? Mm, what is happening here? Okay, remove it. So you see here, this is my task, currency translation. So this is 1100. Okay,
Uh-huh, uh-huh.
1100 task. If I go,
Okay. Mhm.
so
That is,
task
this
define
task
task.
is inbuilt by SAP only, right? 1100.
This is inbuilt by SAP only, right?
Okay. So, and just they have mapped it this task to data monitor.
Right.
So, how I can map it? You custom task validation you said, right? Custom task.
One
Fine.
second, I'm checking that path only. This is 2100. So this is for methods. So this is the method what is getting called here. For each task wise, it will call the methods. Okay.
Okay, which is
Then
method? Can you go back? The method has to be mapped to the task, right?
yes. So see here, this is your task
Uh,
1100, and
uh-huh.
this is your currency translation method.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So
So
this you
one
need to
task can have multiple methods, or
one task can have multiple methods. Yes, this is possible.
but here
Suppose you
for all the entity consolidation units, we have given same method, right?
and also we need to map to my consolidation consolidation group. Once again, I will just show you. Solution method, consolidation process, validation method, manage validation. Once again. Actually, these methods are, linked to my consolidation group. Mm, Define consolidation method. Somewhere we should be able to
Are we
manage
using
the.
global parameters correctly? Our version is correct?
Everything is correct. My version is A.
Yeah,
Yeah,
okay.
A.
Okay. Here, okay. You have gone to standardization, manage data validation.
Basically, we can even go through direct through this task. Method. I think we need to second. Log. Where is the log? So let's go here. Monitor.
Why
Okay.
everything is on error for that task?
Earlier it might be having maybe your maybe exchange rate was not maintained, so that could be the probably reason. Translation method. What was the app name? Just escaping from my mind. Define validation method. Something should be like that. Okay. Mm, 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 mm. Manage manage data validation task. Reported data validation. This is task. I go here. Okay. 1 second. Something change or some button should be. Last time we were able to go there, right?
No, what
Let's
we are
see.
trying to do? No.
No. What we do, we go to the method.
Mm-hmm.
Consolidation method. Define it. Validation. Okay, maybe here. And this is task mode.
No,
Manage
9100 is task, and for that one we have given different translation methods, right?
validation rules. Validation. Manage data validation task. Rules. Which I think here. Uh, mhm. Which app is there? I need to just double check again. So basically what happens, you go to that method and you assign your consolidation group.
Uh,
We have found this. Anyway, leave it. We can discuss this point. Not an issue. I'll just define task assignment. So here,
and how do you assign method to the task? Define task, right? There we have to define reclassification methods.
so any task method. Where is the method? Define method. Define method. Uploading reporting data.
Hmm.
So these are the method we have defined.
But the currency, where is the currency translation methods?
Here.
Oh,
No, currency translation. 1 second. Mm, 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 mm. Currency changeover, not this one. Preparation for consolidation, group reclassification, currency translation for consolidation. This is the steps. Okay, these are the methods, currency translation methods we define here.
And we are going to define map these methods to the task, right? Where
Task,
the
right?
task, how do you map it?
I'm just trying to find that path once again.
Okay, okay.
I had explained you these topics already, but
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
once again.
Just brushing up.
No problem, no problem. Mm, we should be able to find the, what is that app name, yeah? I'm not able to recall the app name for. Let me go through the error. Define
We
validation reported data. 1 second. Not validation. Task, where is the task? Task log is here. Currency translation is okay. Currency translation method is here. Let me go back, go to the, if I go here, so here you could see the successful, all successful. So this is the translation method which got, triggered.
S09, what is it method? Can you expand that one? Full name of the method?
Here you won't be able to see.
S0903, and this has been assigned to task 1100.
Yeah. 1 second. Set global parameters. Data collection. Currency translation is here. Okay. So if you go here, you can find this method here. What we are
The
trying
method
to.
is there, but where is the mapping between method and task?
Going to show you once again. So this is the method which is getting triggered. And here we have selections. Okay. These are the selections. Okay. So selection will have FS items. So if I just go to the FS items, FS
So,
items.
just one thing, Mani sir,
Mhm.
selection will be assigned to methods, right?
Yes. No, no. Means, yeah, selection will be assigned to the methods, correct.
And
Currency translation. SCT.
FS items will be assigned to the selection.
Yes. So if I open this selection,
Mhm,
maybe let's take this one. Okay.
mhm.
So we must be able to find this selection, whatever we have assigned here. Then only this rule will be applicable for this particular line item.
This is a selection, and uh,
No, this
in
is the in this selection, you would find the list of selections. Let me go to the app, define selection. So here you can see this value. What is assigned in your what we call method. So if you expand this, you'd find those selections. This
no,
select.
this selection is there, but it has not been mapped to any method.
This is not directly mapped to any method. This is not directly mapped to any method.
Mhm.
This is mapped to your selection.
No, that itself is a selection, right? CTBS, that is a selection ID.
No, this selection is financial statement item currency translation. This
Uh,
selection is different. This is
uh-huh,
selection ID. Okay.
uh-huh,
So
uh-huh,
selection ID, what we assigned here
uh-huh,
in the under method. And this selection is
uh-huh,
basically is a kind of rule which
uh-huh,
will
uh-huh.
be picked for this particular currency translation.
Okay, okay. And what is that A and for translation 5? That is A is a asset or some, what is that? ER.
Exchange rate indicator. This is
Huh?
exchange rate indicator.
Exchange rate indicator and translation key. Okay, okay. Fine.
Okay. like A, how the exchange rate indicator is configured. So if you just go back here, here you define the exchange rate indicators. A. So here you maintain the exchange rate type. Okay. And exchange rate type is similar to what we maintain for, even in FI also.
Okay.
OB0. Maintain exchange rate.
OB08, right?
Yeah, this is OB08 transaction. If you
Okay.
just, this is same of, FI
Yeah.
part. OB09, OB08, what we call, first we maintain the ratio, then we maintain the exchange rate. So for exchange rate type, what it is picking up? AVG.
Yeah, it is
So we
keeping.
have not. Yeah, average now. We saw like
Ah,
A assigned to average, right? Exchange
correct,
rate
correct.
type. A was the indicator, right?
Correct, correct, correct.
Here we maintain these two are similar to our FI configuration,
Mm-hmm.
specify translation ratio. I will have to leave at 10:30. I
Okay,
have to
okay.
pick my kids from the school. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Why selection method? Define method. That I wanted to. What is the app name, yaar? Manage validation or what was the app name?
Which one? Which one?
I'll, I'll,
Methods.
I'll find that method. Okay. I'm
Oh.
not been able to recall the method name.
Assigning method to the selection,
To,
right?
no, we basically link this method to our group, consolidation group.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Not to the, but not to the task, right? Method we are not assigning to task.
Not directly. I'll just explain you. So let
Okay.
me first, I don't want to confuse you anything right now. Just wanted, let me find that method here. I was getting this error now. One second. Validation, data validation. Reporting, task data monitor. Okay. Mm, mm, mm. Once again, let me just check this field. Here, basically, if I go to this manage validation rules for group, I think this here.
Balance validation.
So here, if I go, I think that is something wrong. Once again, it should take me to that particular app directly. More links. Manage balance validation rules. Validation rules. Okay. Define validation rules. So we have defined the validation here. This is the way we define it. Okay.
So, no, what we are
Define
getting.
validation rules. Means this plus this should be equal to 0. This is
Okay,
my
okay.
formula. So rule expression is the main key here. Okay. Second, then assignment part, we can navigate through this way also. Group once again. What is going on here? Group ID. What was our group name?
Group
Group name is
CA,
GMG1.
say, CGMG1.
Why it's picking up only one group? CGMG1. Once again, manage balance validation rules group. From here, we should be able to directly navigate. Okay. So basically what happens, like suppose you have created one manage balance validation. So here we should link our methods change by, this is our ID, right? It is calling only one. We should be able to go to this SP0038. What is happening? Okay, I'll check this one. Not sure. Will you balance validation results? You balance validation results. Okay, I'll check. Navigation is not working properly, it seems. Failed success if I go. No exceptions. Let us go to this field. So we were able to navigate. Basically, this method now should be
Mhm.
assigned to your group. Okay.
Okay, method should be assigned to groups, and
Yeah.
also task is also assigned to groups.
Yeah. I'll no. That is assigned to version. I'll show you.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, okay,
Yeah. I'm dropping for now. Okay.
okay,
We'll
okay,
connect again. Yeah.
okay. Thank you.
So we will do the revision also for few topics.
Saturday will do, or tomorrow or Friday will do.
We can connect for 30 minutes, not an issue. But
Tomorrow,
evening
right?
time better suits me. Yeah, evening time better suits me. I'll call you
Uh,
in on
I have
phone. Okay,
office, sir. I have office evening time.
let me call you. Let me call you on phone. Okay,
Okay,
just
okay, 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 okay.
fine.